Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. In case you're new here, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on our future updates. So recently I posted a video on how to make a baby skirt using a old shirt. So in today's video I am using the same shirt and creating something really interesting and something that you guys would have never thought of. And to do that I am just using the full sleeves from the shirt. So I'm trimming off the sleeves and separating it from the shirt. So in case you want to do this project, then you'll have to pick up a shirt with a full sleeve. So here I have two pieces of sleeve separated from the shirt, and on the top, since it has that shape in the armhole, I have just cut it straight. Just draw a line and make sure it is straight. So here mark around 5 inches. This is the top, not the cuff part but the opposite side of the cuff. So 5 inches I've just made a mark, and then make another line of 2 inches from the top. So here I am going to draw the crotch of about 6 inches, and then the bottom, the top, I have left 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches to fold so that I can insert the elastic. So now I'm going to cut on the crotch line that I just drew. So this gets done very quickly. All you need is a little bit of elastic. So for this I'm using 1.5 inch wide elastic. So I have both the pieces ready here. So place them like this. So this is the crotch part, and we will stitch them together like this. Place it so that the right side of the sleeve is on the right side of the other sleeve. Hold it like this and stitch from this end to the other end. So we'll just leave a half an inch seam allowance and stitch. So this is a very interesting project. In case you have kids at home, I'm sure this is very useful. And there will be lot of shirts lying around which are not in use because they would have got stained or due to any reason. So you can put all such clothes to use by doing projects like these. So do let me know in the comment section what you think about this project, and by now if you have guessed what I am doing, let me know in the comment section. So I'm just stitching all around the crotch from one end to the other end. So in case you've just started stitching, you might find this a little tricky, but do watch the video one more time and I'm sure you will understand what I'm doing. So here I am locking it and then trimming off the extra thread. So I'm sure by now you would have guessed what I'm trying to do. Okay, in case you have uneven ends, just trim it and then we will fold and stitch it. So this is the only stitch you'll have to do and your pant will be ready. It's that easy and simple. So I've done a small fold of 1 centimeter and then I'm folding it around 1.5 inch wide because that's how much my elastic width is. Depending on the width of the elastic, you will do your fold. So holding it like this, I'm going to stitch, but I'm not going to stitch all around the waist because I need some space to insert the elastic. So I'm going to leave about 2 inches gap so that I am able to insert the elastic. So just stitching the crotch and this part, our pant is almost ready. So here this is how it looks at this stage, and I've left around 2 inches opening here. So using the elastic, I will insert it around the waist. So I've taken about 12 inches long. So the size will depend on the size of the shirt you're using. So here I'm going to insert this elastic. So I'm using a hairpin to insert the same. You can use the elastic inserter or a safety pin, whatever you have handy. So once I have inserted the elastic, I'll arrange all the gathers and I will stitch this opening. So once I do that, the pant is ready. And if you have any kids at home, they can wear it and enjoy. It's a very simple project, and even beginners can try. In case you have a shirt with half sleeve, then you can make shorts using the same method. So this will be a full pant for somebody aged 1 to 2 years. So in case you're using a shirt with half sleeve, then you can make shorts, and that might fit somebody who's about 2 to 4 years old. So once I have both the ends of the elastic, I'm going to overlap it and stitch both the ends and then conceal this end. So when you're stitching over the elastic, make sure to go over it 2 to 3 times so that the stitch is intact. I'm concealing the other end as well. So this is how it should look once you have stitched the elastic. Now conceal it, arrange the gathers so that the fabric is evenly spread around the elastic, and then stitch the end and conceal that opening. So once we do this, our pant is ready. So if you have a denim shirt lying around, give it a try, and I'm sure it's going to look really cute, especially when you do it for a toddler anywhere between 3 to 4 years. So this is the last step, and you will see the final outcome. It looks really trendy with all that cuff once the kid actually wears this. Unfortunately, I did not have anyone around this age where I could let them wear and shoot a video. So I'm just showing you guys the end product. In case you guys happen to try this, do share the pictures on Facebook. Check out my blog naughtythreads.net, and in case you like this video, give us thumbs up and share our videos with your friends. Subscribe to our channel, and I think I'll see you guys soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.